Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video will show you the ultimate salon experience for a guy. This is a client with the high top fade haircut. So with the length on top, he gets a braided or two-strand twist, and today he will be getting the two-strand twist style. Now it's time to apply the Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk Leave-In Conditioner, and this is a spray conditioner, as you can see. Next, I will be applying the Design Essentials Soothing Scalp Tonic, which is peppermint and aloe, because I will be performing scalp manipulations. When performing scalp manipulations, I do not work this fast. The video is sped up, but best believe it was a truly relaxing and refreshing experience. Although I will be applying products to wet his hair in the end, I still like to start off with the blow drying the hair because it makes it easier for me to part through when doing the twist, and I will be doing the twist with the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. I will also be using a setting lotion, also known as a foam lotion or foam wrap lotion. After doing the two-strand twist, I like to add a lock clip at the bottom of the twist because I will not be securing with rubber bands, and it helps to hold the twist together. Also, it helps with elongating the hair. I decided that I needed a product that was a little bit more firm in relation to the twist defining cream. So I decided to use the Pro Shining Gem, and that's what I will be using with the twist defining cream. With the twist, and now I can blow dry the hair. Also, I did spray hairspray onto his twist to give it a slight hold because I will be removing the clips. Now I am applying mousse for an extra hold. Also, the mousse helps with swelling of the twist. As you can see, the twists are no longer, thin like they were with the clips on them. So this is the true look. It gives it a fuller look. They are no longer thin, they're puffy, they look full, they have a great hold, and these twists will not come down. Also, it's pretty much two styles in one, because when he decides to unravel the twist, he can pretty much have a twist out, which is going to look fine. Also, that's a unisex style. And once again, I am using the Designing Essentials Soothing Scalp Tonic because it is a breath of fresh air. It is refreshing, and I like to finish up my styles with applying the Soothing Scalp Tonic on the hair. And keep in mind, it is also a great product for tension styles such as braids, twists, and overall scalp manipulations. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.